Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, we saw how to uninstall Eclipse IDE and IntelliJ from Windows 11. In this video, we will see how to install Eclipse IDE in Windows 11. So search for Eclipse in Google Chrome. So you need to go to this official website www.eclipse.org.com. Then from here, you need to download the Eclipse. So this is the current version of Eclipse. So download this Eclipse IDE. So click here to start download. Download. Let's wait for a few seconds. So Eclipse IDE download is successfully. Double click on the Eclipse to install. Minimize the screen. Here, you can select the Eclipse IDE for Java developers or enterprise Java or web developers or C++ developers. So I am selecting for Java developers. So click here to install. So we need to accept this agreements. Accept me. So once installation complete, you will see this Eclipse icon in your desktop. So you can start to launch that Eclipse IDE. So you can create this workspace. So I am keeping as a default workspace. So workspace is the place where all the Eclipse files will be saved and Eclipse projects will be saved. So click here to launch that workspace. Now Eclipse IDE is opened. Now you can create the Java project in this Eclipse IDE. So thanks for watching this video. We'll see how to create this Java project in next videos.